Hi everyone, Jim here. I just got a Sony ZV1 camera. Let me tell you about it. For the past year, I've been using a GoPro Hero 10 to record most of my videos. I also have a Canon 90D that I'll use sometimes, but for the most part, I use the GoPro. I love the GoPro camera, like for the action videos and the things on my bike and kayaking and things like that. But for like these types of videos, you have to use the Media Mod kit. And I don't really like the Media Mod kit for several reasons. Number one, the camera overheats quite a bit when it's in the kit. And so the camera will lock up, sometimes the files get corrupted, and so if you're trying to shoot a video, that's a real pain. Also, once the camera's in the kit, it's a frame, and you can't access the battery or the memory card anymore. So you have to take it all apart, unscrew it from the tripod, everything, just to change the battery. And when you're shooting videos, sometimes batteries don't last more than 15-20 minutes. So if you're taking a number of takes or doing something longer, it's just not very convenient. So, last week I was shooting a video and it overheated and I lost several files and had to reshoot things. And I finally decided I really need to get a camera for this purpose, just doing these types of videos. And I could use my Canon, but it's a beast. It's a real heavy camera. It's got interchangeable lenses. My lenses aren't really fast enough for doing indoor shooting, even with the lights. So I started looking around and I wanted to find something that was convenient like the GoPro and lightweight, but more designed for video. And by far, all the research I did shows that the Sony ZV1 is the camera to get. As long as you don't want interchangeable lenses, this has a built-on lens. It's a 24-70 zoom. It's f1.8 to f2.8, so it's a really fast lens, and it has a lot of features built in specifically for videos and vlogging. So let's open this up and take a look at it, and then I'll take some shots with it and show you what it looks like. So the kit I bought is a vlogging bundle, so it came with the camera and an additional microphone. The cool thing about the mic is that it fits right into the hot shoe on this camera. So it only works on a Sony camera, but it gets rid of all the wires and allows you to make a direct connection to the camera with the hot shoe. You don't have to use batteries. So I'll definitely be trying this out, and hopefully this looks better than the onboard mic. So first we'll open up the camera. Got a couple of manuals. Got a windscreen. This goes into the hot shoe. And then we've got the camera. So let's open this up. So this is the microphone on the top. It's also got an automatic blur mode for the background. Nice lens. Okay, looks like the battery's already installed. It does not come with a memory card, unless you buy one of the other kits. Some of the kits do come with it, but the kit that I bought didn't. I've got a lot of memory cards, so that's fine. Got manuals with this one, a cable. Here's a microphone with the windscreen. So, not sure exactly how that works. Oh, I see, it goes over the whole thing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right. That's what you get. Okay, so now that we have this unboxed, it's a pretty cool looking camera. It's got a viewfinder that can flip around, so you can, when you're taking videos and looking at it, you can see yourself, or you can flip it this way to shoot from behind. I did have to contact Amazon because it was missing some parts and it looked like it had been opened. They did give me a refund, so that's kind of cool. Hopefully it works well. So let's try this out and see how it works. See how it looked compared to the GoPro. Be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like and sounds like in the default mode. Just plugged it in. I haven't read a whole lot of the manual yet. I've watched a few videos, so hard to say. It looks like it's recording pretty well. I'm not sure exactly what it's doing, but I can see that I do like the feedback on the camera. So let me try putting it into the blurred background mode. Okay, so this should be the blurred background mode. I'm not sure. On the screen I can't tell any difference, but it's a far way away, so who knows. We'll see when I process the video. So let's pull on. So next let's try the shotgun mic and see what it sounds like. So the shotgun mic actually sits on a rubberized base, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so this is with the shotgun mic attached. Hopefully that sounds a little different. It looks like a nice mic, real easy to put it on the camera, so I'm really looking forward to that working well. It'd be nice to be able to just take a video without having to do a whole lot of audio setup. I do know that with the shotgun mic installed, you only have auto features. You don't have any manual control over it, so that can be a little limiting. So next let's take a look and see what it sounds like when I put my lavalier mic that I normally use on it. Okay, so this is with the lavalier mic, which is what I normally use for recording videos. So hopefully this sounds a little bit different. Again, I'll have to find out in post because I can't hear it now, but it'll be interesting to see. So I think in general, the lavalier mic is usually something that works better in most cases, and so it's easier to put on and it's wireless, so that's the mic I normally use. But yeah, I'm going to keep testing this camera out and let you know in the future videos, but so far this looks like a pretty cool setup. I think it'll be a lot better than the GoPro, and I'm really looking forward to, you know, shooting more videos with it and getting more comfortable with it. So if you like this video, as always, hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my content, hit subscribe. Hopefully things will be getting better as we go, and I'll be able to produce more content quickly. Thank you.